Andrea, this is yours. Binigay ko na sa'yo ito. This is yours, okay? Yan, iuwi mo na.
Pa?
Kids, nakabalik na kayo.
I kept asking you kung bakit umalis si Mama, and you never said anything. Now we already know the answer. It's because of this girl. Niloko niyo si Mama? Papa, how can you do this to her? Alam mo, sobrang mahal na mahal ka ni Mama tapos sasaktan mo, ipagpapalit mo dito?
Kawawa naman si Mama! Bad ka, Papa!
Wait. This is a big mistake, okay?
Papa, pwede ba? Huwag ka na magsinungaling dahil alam na namin lahat ng totoo. Itong babaeng to, siya yung girlfriend mo. At itong mga pictures na to, yan ang evidence sa mga panluloko nyo.
Sandali lang, ha? Hindi ako girlfriend ng papa ninyo. Hindi, maniwala kayo sa akin.
Wow. Hindi girlfriend. I know what you are. You're a cheap secretary na nag-o-offer ng services mo para makuha yung mga gusto mo.
Cheska, stop that. That's enough. You don't know what you're talking about, okay? Hindi nyo naiintindihan to.
Papa, we know about everything. Mama told us that Tita Clarice saw you habang pinagsha-shopping mo yung babaeng yan. And you? You seduced my father para makapagsuot ka ng mga gandang damit kasama na yung jewelry na nandyan.
Oh, that's not true, huh? Calm down.
Calm down? I hate you!
That's enough. Hindi mo naiintindihan, Cheska.
We
Hindi mo
know about
naiintindihan ang nangyari.
everything. You don't